First off, we got the Bullets Wireless 2. Offering exceptional sound quality, these will retail for $59.90. Next up, the headline of tonight, the OnePlus 7 Pro, will be available in the 128 gigabyte version for $48,999. The 256 gig version, $52,999. And the top tier 256 gig version with an insane 12 gigs of RAM will retail for $57,999. All right, next, the OnePlus 7. We have the 128 gigabyte version available in mirror gray and the 256 gig version in mirror gray, as well as the new stunning red color. So what is that going to cost? What do you guys think? Thank you. So the Bullets Wireless 2 comes with great audio and fast charging. The OnePlus 7 Pro has the most amazing display, and it's our most ambitious product ever. And then we have the OnePlus 7, a truly no-compromise device at a great value. The mirror gray OnePlus 7 Pro is available starting the 17th, while the Nebula Blue, the 28th. And they're going to be available across all the regular channels, Amazon India, OnePlus.in, as well as our offline and partner stores. The OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro Almond will be available in June. Amazon Prime and OnePlus.in users can buy the OnePlus 7 Pro a day early on the 16th on the Prime Early Access and the OnePlus Early Bird sales, respectively. We'll also be launching the following offers together with our local partners. But what if you don't want to wait that long? What if you want to get it tomorrow? Well, good news. We'll be hosting pop-up events in the following cities, where you can get the mirror gray OnePlus 7 Pro. In addition, for the first time, we're bringing you a new type of pop-ups. The OnePlus Experience pop-up will not just last a day, but a month. There, you can be a part of a number of workshops on themes like photography, video, gaming, and more. So check it out at the Select City Walk in New Delhi, starting this Friday. And finally, we've come to the end of this presentation. I'd like to thank